Hi, my name is Dr. Matt Antonucci, and I cannot wait for this year's Cal Chiro Winter in the Desert seminar. Dr. Garcia and myself have an amazing seminar that's planned for you guys all day on Saturday, and it's the NeuroPerformance Bootcamp. This is the first time we've ever offered this course, and we are so pumped about it because so many doctors have been asking us, what can we do for our patients to make their brain and nervous system function better, in addition to chiropractic? And Dr. Garcia and I have spent a whole lot of time trying to figure out how to answer that question. And what we came up with is a one-day course that goes through a whole bunch of really foundational concepts, focusing around vision therapy, vestibular therapy, proprioceptive therapy, and all different types of modalities that actually change the way your brain functions and responds to the world around you. This course is going to be a hands-on course. We're going to teach a concept, we're going to do a concept so that you can take the information back to your patients that very next business day and help them experience life on a whole different level. So we're really excited for you to join us, Cal Chiro in the Desert, this winter, January 9th, 2022 in Palm Springs, California. So we will see you then. Thanks so much.